Okay, ladies. The cover is really hard to put back on with just me. So I just took off the corner. How do I zoom out? I just took off the corner so that I can crawl in. I'm excited about this summer. All right, so, and I just got it back from the shop, Union Marine, and I pulled over so I could look. I couldn't do it there. They were busy. They didn't even have somebody to get the boat out for me. The office gal had to take a forklift and get it for me. So I think they were very short-staffed today. Anyway, so here we go. Ugh, wait a minute. I think they missed a spot when they were detailing. $540. $500 and some dollars, I can't remember for sure. I think they just missed a spot. Okay, and we go. Okay, I'm crawling. Oh, geez. Old pine needles. That's from last year. Oh, geez. They didn't do under the seat. All that junk. I don't know how to make my phone focus on it right. Anyway, it's kind of still messy. Okay, I think that's bird poop. Oh, here's some more. Okay, I'm in. So, cover's still on. This is hokey. I mean, of course, they're boat people. They know how to do this. This is like makes it taller or shorter. So this could be straight like that one. That's stupid. That's all right. So here it is. I'm pretty excited. We got a new. Oh, wait a minute. There's no plastic cover on this. That's weird. It's just like a flexible, like a saran wrap, you know? Huh. Okay. I don't know how long that's gonna last. Looks like it's coming off on the edges already. And I haven't ever used it yet. I've only had it for 15 minutes. Okay. And I got the new rocker switch. One of these. Oh, that's funny. Okay, so this was there already. This was there already. And this one they put on sideways. Whatever. Okay. All the rest of them are the way you read, you know, left to right. Nav. Accessory. Why they didn't get a different rocker switch, or one that says the name of what it does. Oh, it's lame. Okay. Oh. Okay, I'm getting less excited about this. I thought it was going to be so great. We have bird poop. Or so whatever that is. So dirt under here. Oh, fuck. Okay. More dirt. I don't think they really did a detail. I don't think so. It's a lot cleaner than when I brought it in. I can say that. Wind had blown leaves because it was October, and so we had wind storms, you know, and the leaves all falling and blowing everywhere. So I had leaves in here. It was messy, which of course you can clean out with a blower, but yeah, there's a lot of dirt. Where that is, I don't know. Oh my God. Oh no. Oh no. It's stained. They had mildew for so much of it for so long. that it like grew into the fabric and stained. Oh my God, that's awful. Look at that. I don't know how to show it as bad as it is. It doesn't really focus that close. It's really bad. What if I, oh, well, now you can see it. It's like supposed to be this light beige, but it's polka dot. And how do I focus? Maybe it's bad. Look. Oh, this is disgusting. Oh, I'm so sad. Okay. Ew. More junk. I don't think they did the detail. Certainly not $500 worth anyway. Shit, look. How can I make it just focus so you can see it? It's probably going to look on the video the same way it looks to me right now. And my phone's just having a hard time focusing. Well, anyway, it's bad. These seats up here. How do I show this? Yeah, it's really bad. Oh, I wonder how long the mold has to be on the seats for it to, I mean, this whole area is dark for it to cause this much damage. It's out of control. I think this seat is the worst. Yeah. Over here, I'm getting less excited about this. Gosh, I just paid $1,100 to these guys. Look at all that black. The white is just sunshine coming through the cover. This black is awful. Ugh. What is that? Oh, that's just something that they didn't clean in the detail. Just some junk. So it's black bad here. Yeah, even the back part is bad. But I wonder if we have the same problem at the top of the seats. Ooh, yeah. Mold and mildew grew in the seam. Oh my gosh, look. I'm under the cover, so it's shade in here, and it still looks this bad. So when we take off the cover, oh my gosh, and we have sunshine on it, this is going to be full-on disgusting. Oh, it's very bad. I'm very sad. Okay. I don't think they cleaned this boat. It is a lot cleaner than it was when I brought it. I have to say that. But $500 worth? This stuff is still in here. Whatever was in here before. That's not awesome. It's a beautiful sunny day. Oh, here's more junk. Oh, here's some of that residue of mold. That's probably on the back of these seats too. I can't see because bad angle. Oh, it's so bad. Okay. All right, I don't know what they're hiding under this. Probably something nasty. I don't want to look. Okay. I'm dying over this pole. It's all diagonal. Like, okay, so as the boat people, they know that this is how you adjust it. You unclamp that and you make it shorter or longer. So they just put it in way too long. And instead of having it go straight and the bottom would be here, they just put it in all kittywampus. So lame. Yeah, it's very lame. Okay. What else did they do? Oh, this is still dirty. They didn't clean it. Boo. Okay. Well, let's look at the back. The back does not seem nearly as bad. See, the seats look normal. The little bit of weird coloring, I'm thinking that's because the cover. Yeah, see, it moves. So when the cover's off, that's going to be beautiful. This back area is totally fine. It's just the front that got just trashed. Oh, so they were going to put new struts. I think they did. Here's some more junk. I don't know what that is, but it's a piece of junk. They were putting new struts in this bed to hold it up. Shocks. But it looks like in doing so, it kind of trashed the seam here. There's a little junk right there, but look at that. It's like coming apart. It's not coming apart on any other, like any other place. It's fine everywhere else. The problem is just on the one piece that they had to work on. See? There's another piece. Seam looks great. Seam looks great. There's no seams on here to look at. Where else can I find a seam to look at? Well, here's my driver's seat. Seam looks fine. Seam looks very pretty. It's not because the whole boat has that. It's just the only part that they had to take off and do a repair. Because there's little shocks underneath that back part. See how all of the rest of the seams are perfectly fine. It's just that one. They had to take that off because there's like the things that hold up your hood, or maybe they hold up your trunk. I don't know. That's so this whole area is the back, right? And it's all flat. This piece is totally fine. But when you go to